Amaru, yeah. Baby, you my only number one gotti. Even in my down times, I can get you out of my mind, sorry. Hey, I done run 1,000 days just to find you in my way.
Field trip. This is how we look when we go to the beach. Hello, and welcome to another travel vlog from the Traveling Foxes. If you're new to our channel, my name is Nat, and today we will be exploring Anda Beach here in Bohol Island, Philippines. So if you've seen my last vlog, I actually went to Bohol via boat from Cebu, flew from Manila, drove from where I live now, which is in Muntinlupa. So it was quite a journey to get here. But now I'm here spending some family time, and today I'm going to show you Anda. It's in the southeast part of Bohol, and just to show you guys around that there are other places in Bohol that is not just Panglao. So we're going to drive there and I'm going to show you guys around. It's so no.
Papa, he has long legs.
Hey, I'm the driver for today.
Papa in front, he has long legs.
Promise never let it go. Baby, you my only number one gotti. Even in my down times, I can get you out of my heart, sorry. Yeah, searching away. Yeah, running around every town trying to find you. Yeah, all I ever want was for you to say I do. Me que la tenga popolequio. You know the way my atento you. I wanna be wherever you go. Oh, yeah.
Hi.
Just ano?
Just what?
Just. Full oven.
Unsa?
Ako say.
Yung ka just.
Maligo na ko.
Duha ra mi maligo.
Abi, ato environmental fee.
Tagila.
30 pesos per head.
Okay.
My bag's at the back. Can you get me 30 pesos per head?
Pila?
30 per head. So is this the last part? Like there's nothing after Anda?
I think it's the dead end.
Yeah, you have to pay.
Yeah, we know that. No.
No, I mean like there's no path after Anda. Is there?
No.
Yeah, so
Okay, salamat.
And then what? She jumped on the shark. She probably thought it was a dolphin resting, and she
Okay.
jumped on it, so it mauled her.
Oh, okay.
Died, yeah. But then like if you grew up by the water, you don't even jump on dolphins. Like, they will attack you. It's a wild animal.
Hey, we are Anda. Mini Boracay Bohol. Better than Panglao in terms of beach because there aren't a lot of, well, today's Independence Day, so a lot of people. Where do you guys want to hang?
We're gonna ask if we have to rent a table or we can just be on the beach.
Yeah. Here, gonna do a bit of drone here. Is it your first time to fly this drone?
No.
Oh, you've done it before. Here, on the plate. There is a plate. There you go. Let's see if her drone skills are better than mine. So what's happening? It's just here. We'll do it again. We'll try it again. Take two. We can't show the viewers the view if you don't know how to use your drone. Give me time. Hold it down. Yeah. Okay,
There.
now connect it. There you go.
Cada día doy las gracias a esta vida. Cada día nace nueva melodía. Yo sabía que algún día llegaría. Qué alegría pasar el tiempo a tu lado. Qué alegría por haberte encontrado.
Yeah, we're just walking down the beach. Probably can't hear me because there's no mica. You could actually rent kayaks here. So that's one of the activities you can do aside from just the beach. Yeah. Very similar vibes to other beach places around the Philippines where you have a lot of restaurants just by the beach. You got a great view, you can go swimming. Here you can also do henna, island hopping. So the idea is just the same. You also have cottages for rent. So just passing by this area now. I've never actually walked this far before. Have you? Or you walked the whole place?
I think I have.
You think?
I had long hair that time too. Yeah, I think I did with Mama and before.
Volleyball. That's so epic.
Hello.
May hapon dong.
Welcome.
Signs of like the caves and stuff.
Maybe they'll drive you there. I think they'll drive you there.
So look at this, guys. You got glamping style accommodation.
So there are different food parks. Asang food park diri? Unsa orasa mo sugod? July pa magsugod.
This Campo Bilagan food park will start on July.
There's so much signages of food parks and stuff that we haven't seen before, but there are signs and they don't exist yet. So, okay, I think we've reached the end of this Anda beach stretch, but there's so many different coves, right?
That's a nice property. Look here, the sand is so powdery. And then this is like, it's not like in Boracay where they actually clean the sand and remove the stones. It's all natural and it's just naturally powdery.
So I've shown you guys a little bit of Anda. We didn't really get to explore much, but what are your thoughts on this place? Do you like it? Would you visit? It's around an hour, maybe an hour and a half from Tagbilaran, right?
Just check with Google Maps.
Oh, now it's we are in the rockier edge.
Rocky, don't walk in the water, you're stepping
I just want to see a little bit about what's on the other side. I think it's just a lot of resorts, like in this area.
Yeah, different resorts or private property.
Yeah, or private property. So we're gonna head back to the main area. Yeah, sand's super soft though, even by the rocky area.
It's almost like a mix of silk and powder.
Boracay feels. It was so funny because when we actually went down, we were like, oh, mini Boracay, and one of the locals were like, this is not Boracay. She didn't hear us, but she was correcting us, saying that she probably thinks we're expats, and she was like, this is not Boracay.
Yeah, and we just responded, same. And then this is the best part. That was nothing. There was this guy who comes up to us and goes, buko day, buko. So buko's coconut. He was asking if we wanted some fresh coconuts. And I'm like no thanks. We're still full. So dili panoy, busog pa ni. And he goes, na ako yuta day. Na ako yuta baligya. So yuta is land. So since we didn't want to buy coconuts, he decided to offer us land. He was selling us land. It's just an amazing transition, you know, from coconuts to land. So I said no, no, but he didn't offer us anything else. I just wondered if, you know, if he had jets to sell or something. But yeah, I found it really, really funny. Yeah, that's it. I hope you found it funny too.
You have the time of your life every single night. The confetti's raining down. You put your hands to the sky, center of the crowd. You're the talk of the town. And I tell myself I don't want that. What glitters sink.
Ow, stepped on a rock. That hurt. My GoPro is cracked.
I say I don't want it, but I'm so full of it. I wanna be the life of the party. I wanna dance with somebody. I wanna be the life of the party. I wanna hold on to somebody. Living your life through all this perfect pretending. You think no one can tell.
Alright, gonna leave Anda Beach now. Gonna grab a nice coffee in one of the coffee shops, not by the beach, just in the main strip. And yeah, they actually have really cute cafes here, and I'll show you guys that before we head home.
Oh, and then the...
And now it's not a room?
Yeah, you can rent the... There was beside of that one, there's a house for sale.
So we're walking around looking for a restaurant or a cafe that has maybe a latte, and everyone just serves brewed. So you can see that it's still very raw compared to a lot of other parts of the Philippines, which is also a good thing. And why am I measuring it with coffee? For example, if you go to Siargao or if you go to Panglao and Bohol, there are specialty coffee shops, and it kind of shows that the area is actually advancing and welcoming more tourists, and the type of food they serve is more international. But I mean, here in Anda you have the pizzas and everything, and also all the grilled food. So yeah, we'll see. Last chance for me to find a good coffee is called the Old Castle. All alcoholic, so a lot of it is alcoholic beverages, juices, soft drinks.
The same honey oil.
Just brewed?
Oh, and 3-in-1.
Brewed and 3-in-1. Okay, it's okay, let's go home. Thank you. So there you go, guys. Brewed coffee and 3-in-1 coffee, even in one of the nicer hotels by the beach. Alright guys, so I guess I'll just have my coffee at home since we have 3-in-1 at home, and that'll do the job for me for today. And thank you guys for watching another random video here in Anda. I live around the area. Well, I don't live. Our summer house is around the area, so I may be featuring this more frequently. I've actually not been back since the pandemic, so maybe that's why if you're a new subscriber or a recent subscriber, you won't have seen some of my vlogs in this area, but I'll try to link the different vlogs I've done here before in the description below. So yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.
Wanna be the life of the party.